Hello, ayan. So, good evening everyone. Welcome to our live stream and welcome to Lemuria Legend, an MU online that you can play on your mobile, either if it's Android or iOS. Alright? So, you can definitely download this phone on your mobile and Windows PC as well. So, for today's video, guys, we are going to shoutcast the Grow Lancer Duel event. And we do have 5 participants, guys. And let me show you the bracket that was organized by Lemuria Legend. Yan. So, we just only have first match. And then we are going to proceed already with the semi-final. Alright, so we do have 3 Chinese players participated on today's event. So for the first match, it's gonna be a Chinese versus Yudo. And then for semifinals, Kuis Mao is waiting. Whoever wins on the first match will compete with Kuis Mao. Alright, and then for the second match on semifinals, it's gonna be Tonglong versus a player coming from China. And shout out to our viewers, guys. Don't forget to tap our live stream to show support, and you can definitely share our live stream, guys. Invite your friends to play the game. Diba? Di ka naman mabibigot dahil sobrang solid ng laro natin. Alright, so let's go back to the event, guys. And let's proceed with the matches. Ayan, ayaw ata. Busy daw. Ayan, okay na siya, okay na. Umalaw na siya, boy. Alright, so it's gonna be Vyuda versus Chinese player, guys. Level 899 versus level 888. A player that using Ghost Horse and someone that use Fenrir. Disqualified na agad. Grabe naman. Ayan. So, who do you think, guys, that will get the title for Grow Lancer Duel King? Nanting nga lalaki eh, Bob, syempre. Ayaw atang magrelagin. This is one of the difficulty when we are trying to organize an event with a Chinese player. It's so hard to, to talk with them. Because, we are aware of that English is not their first language. And shout out to our viewers, guys. Kumusta naman kayo, mga kaibigan? So, si Kuis Mao ay 920. Tonglong is 920. And the other Chinese is 942. So, we do have 3 participants on today's duel event with level 900 plus. And then the other 2 are just below 900 level. You can definitely go a duel bet, guys, with the other player if you would like to, but that's gonna be your risk. Of course, Lemuria Legend doesn't have responsibility if a transaction made outside the game. Diba? Siyempre ako naman, as a player, gusto ko rin yung mga ganyan. To also go online again. Nag-error siya, man. Nasaan na si ano? Baka umalit ka. Try natin sa baka nawala. Guys, we apologize for the inconvenience. Get point cleared out. Ayan na siya, men. Ayan na. At eto na nga, guys. Magsisimula na ang first match between a Chinese player and Vyuda. Ito yung sinasabi ko, men. Medyo nahihirapan na sila sa English. Guys, we will try to work them out. Let's do a rematch between the two players. So, warning na dun si yung Chinese. Ang hirap kasi kapag tinuloy-tuloy mo pa yun. Chinese kasi sila, Babs. If I'm not mistaken, they don't have any, I'm not sure if they have a TikTok, guys, or something. Actually, sinabi dito ng Chinese kanina. Wala ata silang TikTok. Saglit lang, ha. Alright, so going back, guys, simula na ang first match. It's gonna be Vyuda versus the Chinese player. Magka-guild pa pala sila, Diba? Alright, so 1-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan, in favor of Vyuda. Alam naman natin yung TikTok may restrictions siya sa ibang bansa, di ba? Pareho naman silang bonaging, so I guess hindi naman ganun ka big deal yung ganung bagay sa kanila. Pero kung intense bonagings ko, nangyari yung ganon, yung uma-attack bago go signal, siguradong matatrash talk. Pagkakaroon na naman ng away-away sa comment section. So, eto na nga, mga kaibigan. Bastion activated dito ang Chinese, mga kaibigan. Pero napakakunat dito ni Vyuda. Hindi pa rin siya mapapagsak ng Chinese. At ayun na nga, guys, pagsak ang Chinese. 2-0 na tayo. 2-point lead. Leading na si Vyuda dito, guys. Grabe, makulat talaga ang Grow Lancer, diba? 2-0 na tayo, guys. They have the same level. Below 900 lamang sila, mga kaibigan. At ayun na nga, guys. 3-0 na tayo, guys. 3-0 na tayo. Sabi ko, Bona Kings, anong... Alright, so 3-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan, in favor of Vyuda. At bumawi na nga doon ang Chinese. 3-1 na tayo, guys. 3-1 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 2-point lead by Vyuda. Ito na nga ba ang comeback na ginagawa ng China, mga kaibigan. At ito na nga, 3-2 na tayo. 2 consecutive kills coming from the Chinese, guys. Grabe, 3-2 na tayo. Dire-diretso na nga ba to sa panig ng Chinese, mga kaibigan? 3-2 na tayo, guys. 3-2 na tayo. Isang naka-Fenrir at isang naka-Dinoran. Naka-Bastion pa doon ang Chinese. Ngunit nahihirapan siya kay Vyuda. 2-point lead na dito by Vyuda, mga kaibigan. 4-2 na tayo, guys. 4-2 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 2-point lead by Vyuda. Grabe. Napakaganda ng dual event. Walang one hitan sa Grow Lancer. Parehong makunat. 4-3 na tayo, guys. 4-3. Mga kaibigan. Re-ready. Re-ready. Ayan, medyo mahirap kasing mag-command, guys. Manual typing lang ako dito sa corner. Ready, go. So, I'm doing my best to make sure that the event will be, well organized. Kasi ang hirap kapag walang command eh. Kapag copy-paste, medyo mas mahirap din. Alright, so going back, mga kaibigan, 4-3, tumatakbo dito ang Chinese. Ano nga ba ang meron? Ba't siya tumatakbo-takbo, guys? Bastion activated, ngunit lumulusot ang damage ni Vyuda sa Bastion, mga kaibigan. 5-3 na tayo, a 2-point lead coming from Vyuda. Grabe naman yan, mga kaibigan. Bumaliktad ang sitwasyon. Si Vyuda naman ang tumatakbo. Grabe naman yan, mga kaibigan. At eto na nga, guys, Bastion activated ang Chinese, ngunit pumapasok ang damage ni Vyuda. Grabe. Sarap tignan ng Bastion, no? Bastion is real. Aso, ginto ang Bastion. No, ginto yung Bastion eh. Alright, so 7-3 na tayo, guys. A 4-point lead coming from Vyuda, guys. Leading na si Vyuda, isisecure na nga ba niya ang semifinals or babawi dito ang Chinese? Grabe, sana all naka-Bastion. Ako kahit punish lang siguro. Masaya na ako kapag Radiance, punish. Sarap-sarap no? Lira plus punish. Kahit 7-7 lang lahat ng Airtel mo. Mahal kasi ng elemental rune eh. Naka-punish ka tapos nagba-blood castle ka lang. Alright, so going back, guys, 8-3 na tayo, guys. 2 kills to go for Vyuda at pasok na siya sa semifinals. Siya ang haharap sa waiting room sa semifinals kalaban si Kuismao, mga kaibigan. And once again, guys, the bracket was organized by Lemuria Legend. Alright, so 9-3 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 9-3 na tayo, guys. Alright, so isisecure na nga ba ni Vyuda ang kanyang slot for semifinals? Or babawi pa dito ang Chinese, guys. At ayun na nga, guys, tapos ang laban. Si Vyuda ang haharap kay Kuismao. That's still a nice game, guys. Alright, so let's proceed with the next match, guys. Kuismao versus Vyuda tayo, guys. Kuismao versus Vyuda. Eto na nga, guys. Papalo na. Lalaro na ang isa sa mga pinag-uusapan ang mga Lemuria Legend group. Ayan, lagi nilang inaano siya na eh. PC player tells me. Eto na nga, guys, magsisimula na ang semifinals, mga kaibigan. It's gonna be Kuismao versus Vyuda, mga kaibigan. At ayun na nga guys, pinabagsak na kagad doon ni Kuismao ang kanyang katapat na si Vyuda. 1-0 tayo guys. Unang umiscore doon si Kuismao, mga kaibigan. Level gap. Uy! 920 na din si Kuismao. Naka-item din. Nagpalit na nga dito ng mount si Kuismao sa Ice Dragon, guys. Tinuot na niya ang Dragon. 3-0 tayo, guys. 3-0 tayo, guys. 3-0. 3 consecutive kills coming from Kuismao. At ayun na nga, guys. 4-0. Hindi man nata pa-score ni Kuismao si Vyuda, mga kaibigan. Grabe naman yan. Di man lang ata pa i-score ni Kuismao si Vyuda. Nagpalit na doon ng Ghost Force si Vyuda, guys. From Dinorant to Ghost Force. Parang ita 10-0 ni Kuismao si Vyuda. May lakad ata si Kuismao, man. Hoy, naglalaban talaga si Vyuda. Di siya nawa-one hit, ha? 6-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 6-0 na tayo, guys. So, whoever win on this match will proceed to final. Alright? At ayun na nga, guys. Minamadali na dito ni Kuismao ang laban. 7-0 na tayo, guys. At ayun na nga, guys, 8-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 8-0 na tayo. 2 kills to go for Kuismao, mga kaibigan. At pasok na siya sa final. Ayun na nga, guys, 9-0 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 1 kill to go. Ay, grabe, pinagno-normal na lang nyo. Grabe naman yan. At ayun na nga, guys, si Kuismao ang papasok sa final. Alright, so for the second match, guys, it's gonna be Tonglong versus the Chinese. At eto na nga, guys. Sino ang unang i-score? Alright, so lamang ng 22 levels ang Chinese. Alright, so 1-0 na tayo, guys. Unang mi-score doon si Tonglong, guys. 1-0 in favor of Tonglong, guys. Will there be any strategy coming from the Chinese, guys? 2-0, mga kaibigan. 2-0, 2 consecutive kills coming from Tonglong, guys. Uy, bumawi doon ng Chinese, guys. 2-1 na tayo, mga kaibigan. 2-1 na tayo, guys. 2-1 na tayo, guys. Bumawi doon ng Chinese. Sabi niya siguro, pinauna lang kita. Ngunit umiscore doon ulit si Tonglong, guys. 3-1 tayo, guys. 2-point lead by Tonglong, guys. 2-point lead by Tonglong. Bakuna talaga yung Grow Lancer o walang one-hitan. Tayo na nga, guys. Sumiscore na doon ang Chinese. 3-2 tayo, guys. Dikit ang score. 1 point lead by Tonglong, guys. 1 point lead by Tonglong. 1 point lead by Tonglong. And there you go, guys. 2 point lead by Tonglong, mga kaibigan. 2 point lead by Tonglong. 4-2 na tayo, guys. 4-2 na tayo. Nakakaantok ang laban. Sabi dito, bakit naman? Eh di matulog ka. Shout out to our viewers, guys. You are watching an MU Online that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. Come and join the best MU Online, guys, which is Lemuria Legend. Alright, so going back, guys. 4-3 na tayo, guys. 1 point lead by Tonglong. Alright, so 5-3 na tayo guys. Malakas din Chinese. Sabi dito ni Roger. Oo, malakas din sila. Feeling ko nagkakamali lang din siguro sila ng build minsan. Kasi ang taas ng level nila eh. Tapos, naka-high gear din sila. So, we're not sure if it's all about the build of the Chinese guys that, you know, that makes the reason for them to lose when it comes to duel event. So, but that is something that I cannot assure. Siguro yun yung dahilan. Malakas sila eh, yung item, yung level, pero natatalo sila sa duel. Siguro dahil sa build, no? So, di natin alam. So, going back guys, 6-3, 3-point lead by Tung Lung. And last 12 minutes on our second match on semi-final. Eto na nga guys, umaabante na dito si Tung Lung, but the Chinese was disconnected ata. Disconnected ba siya? Alright, so if the player was disconnected, a 1 point will be awarded to the opponent. So it's gonna be 7-3 guys. 4-point lead by Tung Lung guys. So let's give a 5 minutes to the opponent for them to reconnect guys on the duel event. Then, disconnected eh. Kapag disconnected, di naman siya makakapagpalit. Diba? Hindi siya nawala siya sa in-game. Hindi siya makakapagpalit. Alright, so we're gonna give a 5 minutes to the disconnected player or else they will lose the duel, guys. So we do have 10 minutes and 35 seconds. So let's wait until 5 minutes and 35 seconds. And if he did not reconnect, guys, of course he will lose the duel with Tung Lung. Shout out to our viewers, guys. Don't forget to tap our live stream, guys, to show support. And if we do have some players that doesn't play the game yet, guys, you can download this game on Google Play Store. Just search for Legend of Lemuria. And if you are using iOS device, you can simply search this game on App Store. Just search for Lemuria Legend. At nawala na nga doon yung kalaban. Live Duel. Live the duel, guys. We're not sure what happened. So, we're still giving around 3 minutes for him to reconnect again. So, that's gonna be 7-3, guys. Sasalita siya kaso hindi natin alam yung sinasabi mo. Easy. Nawala yung momentum ni Tung Lung nito. Malalaman natin pag may kakaiba dyan. Magkikita naman natin, guys. And you know, Lemuria Legend also watching our live stream. So they will be aware if there are some magic happen on the event. Alright, so 7-3 to, guys. 7-3. A 4-point lead by Tung Lung, guys. And 3 kills to go. And he will proceed to final. At ayun na nga, guys. 7-4 na tayo. Grabe naman ang score doon. Kaagad ang Chinese. 7-4 tayo guys. 7-4 na tayo mga kaibigan. 7-4 na tayo. Na one hit ba dun si Tonglong? Anyari, nawala yung momentum niya, men. Hindi, umatak naman siya eh. Saka hindi nila basta-basta manin, magkikita nila Lemuria Legend. Diba? If you did something, you know, magic, your account will be banned. Especially we are now live and Lemuria Legend is watching to our live. Alright, so going back mga kaibigan, miscore na ulit doon ang Chinese. It's gonna be 7-5 guys. 7-5 tayo. Bumabawi dito ang Chinese mga kaibigan. 7-5 na tayo guys. 7-5 na tayo guys. 7-5 na tayo mga kaibigan. Mabilis lang yung pag-warp namin sa kanya guys. So I guess that doesn't have enough time if you know, he made some changes on the item. Mabilis lang namin siyang winarp sa battle area. Alright, so 8-5 tayo guys. 8-5 na tayo mga kaibigan. 8-5 na tayo guys. 8-5 na tayo. Tayo na nga guys, 9-5 na tayo, 1 kill to go for Tonglong and he will proceed to finals guys. Mas mabilis kamay nila, grabe naman. Hindi, feeling ko yung oras na yun, hindi sapat. Kasi nung una disconnected kasi siya eh. Disconnected talaga siya kasi nandun pa yung timer ng ano eh, duel eh. Alright, so 9-5 tayo guys. 9-5 tayo. Pero nung huli yun, talagang nawala na siya sa duel room. Tayo na nga guys. 10-5 tayo. Si Tonglong ang panalo. Let's go back to the battle area or event area, should I say guys. One moment. Alright, so si Tonglong ang papasok sa finals guys. Alright, so Tonglong versus Tuismao guys. Alright, so this will be a best of 3 guys. Sino nga ba ang mananalo between Tuismao and Tonglong guys? Alright. The representative of both guilds. Tuismao for Bona Kings and Tonglong for Intense Guild. Sino nga ba? Kakagulo pa sila. Pareho lang naman yan. Mag-accept na yung isa sa inyo. Sabi dito ni Kuis Mau. Duel kita. Accept mo na lang. Sabi naman nitong Long, hindi, ako na mag-duel sa'yo. Accept mo na lang. Pareho lang yan. Kahit sino ba yung mag-invite ng duel. Man. Anong MU to? Sabi ni Alonga po. Lemuria Legend. MU online that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. Pwede ito sa mobile at sa Windows PC. Yan. Season 17 yung gameplay. Ano pa yata? Nag-error pa yata. Eto yun na nga guys. Simula na ng finals guys. Who's gonna be the Grow Lancer Duel King guys? Will it be, or Duel Queen should I say? Will it be Tonglong or will it be Kuis Mau mga kaibigan? At unang umiscore doon si Kuis Mau mga kaibigan. Grabe naman yan, 1-0 na tayo. Unang umiscore doon si Kuis Mau. If I'm not mistaken, they have the same level. 920 pareho mga kaibigan. 2-0 na tayo. 2 consecutive kills coming from Kuis Mau guys. 2 consecutive kills coming from Kuis Mau. And this is the first round. Alright, for our best of 3 on finals. Unang umiscore dito si Kuis Mau mga kaibigan. Grabe, 3-0 na tayo guys. 3-0 na tayo. 3-0 na tayo. Isisecure na nga ba dito ni Kuis Mau ang first match? O babawi dito si Tonglong? At ayun na nga guys. 4-0 na tayo guys. 4-0 na tayo. 4-0. Grabe, hindi pa rin nakaka-score si Tonglong guys. Hindi pa rin nakaka-score si Tonglong. Grabe naman yan. 5-0 na tayo. And once again, the champion will be receiving Ancient Blue Eye set with the option of choice. Alright, so 6-0 na tayo guys. Alright, so 6-0 na tayo guys. 6-0 in favor of Kuis Mau. Hindi pa rin nakaka-score dito si Tonglong. At ayun na nga guys, 7-0 na tayo. 3 kills to go for Kuis Mau. At siya na ang kukuha sa unang panalo sa best of 3 natin guys. Alright, so will there be any strategy coming from Tonglong? Parang napakakunat dito ni Kuis Mau. Mga kaibigan, binabanatan siya dito ni Tonglong pero parang walang damage na nangyayari. Tingnan nga natin. Meron naman, talagang nakakapag-patch lang siya. Alright, so 9-0 na tayo guys. 1 kill to go for Kuis Mau mga kaibigan. Mainit ang comment section. Atay na nga guys, si Kuis Mau ang nanalo sa first round. Grabe naman yan. Alright, so 1 minute guys will be given. Actually, kapag finals talaga, 3 minutes bago finals eh. Kaltok ka naman. Ay, grabe naman. Dapat nilabas yung Lion na plus 15 eh. Walang black. Grabe, napakainit. Napakainit naman ng ating comment section. Tatapusin na ba ni Quiz Mau sa second round? Or babawi si Tung Lung, mga kaibigan? Naghihintay na lang si Quiz Mau. At eto na nga guys, simula na ng second round. Di man lang pinay-score ni Quiz Mau si Tung Lung. Grabe naman yun. Pareho lang silang 920 eh. At ayun na nga guys, sumiscore na doon si Quiz Mau, mga kaibigan. 1-0 na tayo. Grabe, 1-0 na tayo mga kaibigan. 2-0. Talagang nababawasan talaga si Quiz Mau. Ang kaso, hindi kulang yung damage ni Tung Lung. I guess kung Tung Lung doesn't have enough damage para, patayin si Quiz Mau. Kasi nababawasan naman si Quiz Mau eh. Hindi lang siya talaga one hit man. Alright, so 3-0 na tayo guys. Going back, 3-0. A 3-point lead coming from Quiz Mau guys. Grabe. Binigyan na natin ng 1 minuto na break pero parang wala. 4-0 na tayo. Ba't kaya humingi ng 1 minute break si Tung Lung? Nagpalit ba siya ng item? Nag-buff? Alright, so 5-0 na tayo guys. 5-0 na tayo mga kaibigan. Si Quiz Mau na nga ba ang mag-uwi ng Ancient Blue Eye set of choice? Ay, the Ancient Blue Eye set for Grow Lancer, option of choice, socket of choice. Grabe, at plus lock yan easy plus 15 men. Pero masakit pa rin kasi magtotoka ka pa din plus 0 lang kasi totoka mo pa din. Pero di ba? Set of option of choice, target of choice. Alright, so going back guys, umiscore na doon si Tung Lung mga kaibigan. Umiscore na doon si Tung Lung. Is this gonna be a comeback coming from Tung Lung? Or tatapusin na dito ni Quiz Mau? Pinay-score nga lang ba siya ni Quiz Mau? At eto na nga guys, 2 consecutive kills coming from Tung Lung guys. Eto na nga guys, 6-2 na tayo, 2 consecutive kills coming from Tung Lung. Ngunit binawian na kagad doon ni Quiz Mau mga kaibigan. 7-2 tayo guys. 7-2 tayo guys, 7-2 na tayo. Parang pinay-score lang ata ni Quiz Mau. Grabe naman yan. Grabe naman yan. 8-2 na tayo guys. Quiz Mau na nga ba to for Grow Lancer Duel Queen? Or babawi pa dito si Tung Lung? At ayun na nga guys, umiscore ulit doon si Tung Lung. 8-3 na tayo guys. 8-3 na tayo. 8-3 na tayo mga kaibigan. Bumawi doon si Tung Lung mga kaibigan. Nag-dash siya doon, ngunit hindi niya kinayanan ang pwersa ni Quiz Mau. Tatapusin na ba dito ni Quiz Mau? Or will there be any comeback coming from Tung Lung? Medyo mahirap na siya, 9-3 na siya Unless wala ng patch. At ayun na nga guys, si Quiz Mau ang ating Grow Lancer Duel Queen. Grabe naman. Congrats to Quiz Mau. Wait, recon. Ayan, so thank you so much guys for those who dropped by to our live stream. Once again, this is Lemuria Legend, an MU Online Season 17 that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. If you are using Android device, you can simply search this game on Google Play Store. Just search for Legend of Lemuria. And if you are using iOS device, just search for Lemuria Legend on App Store. And if you are using, Windows PC, you don't have to download emulator. You can simply go on the website for you to download the game, which is legend.mu. And so, salamat guys, going black. And so, salamat guys. See you on Sunday, which will be the 4th week of Castle Siege Season 3. So, once again guys, download the game now. See you in game, mga kaibigan. Bye-bye!